Can't wait to see what I can do with this thing. I really hope no one notices that it's gone. Oh, there's people here. Okay. Well, that throws a wrench in the works. I honestly thought this place was going to be clear, but clearly it's not. All right, well, that's natural. I'm going to go park myself next to my big brother over there. That rusty old axis. So if you guys wouldn't mind clearing that spot for me, that would be fantastic. Thank you. Wow, there's a lot of people here. Oh my goodness. Surprise! Okay. Well, hello everyone. Since you're here anyway, you guys can come up nice and close up to these lines if you want. Don't worry, I don't bite or smell like most of the things here on Pandora. Oh yeah, just up to those lines. I may have lied, I smell a little bit. I need to shower. Well, I honestly didn't think there was going to be anyone out here, but since we're both here anyway, I feel like we should just roll with it. Alright, so let's try this. I'll say it first, and you guys say it back. Calty, everybody? Oh, pretty good, you guys sound like locals. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Clark, Clark Scott. Hello. Although my friends call me Pancakes. It's not a very cool name, I know. But I am one of the rangers here at the PCI, which stands for the Pandora Conservation Initiative. So let's do this. Let's split in half down here and part ways. So go either side of this line to form a sort of catwalk, if you will. Be sure to stick with your family though. Or pick a new one. It's up to you guys. But from what I know, it's pretty easy to ride once you do get the hang of it. Apparently it takes around about 2 years to fully master, so I have a bit of work cut out of me. Now, I feel like you should warm up the suit and make sure it's functioning properly. We like to do that from top to bottom. So make sure the arms are working. So my left hand first. Left hand first. Nice. Right hand. Excellent. Okay, well, they can move. That's nice. The fingers also move. We have some poses which we like to do. So if you have your cameras, you may want to take these because they're kind of funny, at least. We have the E.T. Kids, you probably don't get that one. Well, we have the top of the Philadelphia staircase. Oh, y'all that good. Look at me. Yeah. Very bad impression. We have the guy at party. Hey! How's it going?
Water?
You alright? I like your t-shirt. Star Wars, pretty cool. We all know one of those guys. We have the check, please. Thank you. And oh, my personal favorite, we have the Lion King. And if you do, you're lying. Okay, cool. Well, that's our body warmed up properly. So the way that this should actually move is this thing called the TBS, which stands for the Sustainable Bathroom Smell. No, that's not right. The Destructible Bartholomew something? I swear this never normally happens. This is very cool. Parking brake. Safety first. Alright, okay, so I, third time lucky, I lean forward to go forward. Nice. Now, something about this suit is called the Class T 600 Exo Carrier. It does take, like I said, 2 years to fully master. This is my fourth day, and that was pretty easy. And now I'm facing a bush. This brings me my second little gizmo here. Okay, I'll try the green one. Spin 180 degrees, and I'm having to do a thing, and I really hope this works because there's lots of people watching. Hey! Wow! I tell you, we have many dangerous things here on Pandora, but I literally almost died of embarrassment. Hey, you guys can come a little bit closer now. Up to these lines. Yeah, so there are further modes I can do. And then that's the to adjusting to terrain. And the test is you let go of the handles. Yeah, wave your hands around a little bit. And you're not moving. Woo! Excellent. Nice. Well, likely got so wrong, but I'm glad it's on park. Now, there's actually this other mode I would like to try with you. It's called stealth mode. Alright? Now, something you have to know here. All the animals on Pandora are more or less very dangerous. So we have to, as part of our job, we have to analyze all the animals that we can see. Now, sometimes it's very hard to do this because they're dangerous and they want to come and eat us. So we activate this thing called stealth mode. Very similar to a chameleon back on Earth, in that I will totally disappear and blend in with my surroundings. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and I'm gone. Wow, I can't hear you, small child. I don't hear anything.
You're still not invisible.
The rule is, if I can't see you, you can't see me. And at the touch of a button, I will reappear in your eyes in 3, 2, 1, and I'm back! Pretty amazing, right?
No, because you didn't.
You didn't see me. Can you demonstrate a floss for me? Oh, wow. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. So, take my hand here, take my hand here. I'm gonna put it up here, right? So far, so good. Put it here. All right, and then put it over here. Oh yeah, my flossing kids. What am I doing it? Just imagine this.
Disco.
The disco. Like Saturday Night Fever disco. Yeah? There we go. I got that one, right? Hey, I've got one for you actually, which I'm sure you're all familiar with. And you know what? If you know this one, I would love you to participate in it. It is called the Hokey Pokey. You guys familiar with this one? Yeah? Alright, well I will invite you, if you can, to participate with me, because the more, the merrier. You put your left hand in, your left hand out, in, out, and shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. Sorry, it takes a while. Hey, how you doing? Oh, your hat and your shirt matches. That's cool. Hey, buddy. Nice shirt. You laughing at me or laughing with me? And that's what it's all about. Hey! Like I said, it takes a while to master. Anyway, on that note, I need to get back over the wall, and they actually put this suit back because they took it without permission. But I want to say to you folks, thank you so much for coming out here. If I can leave you with one last word, that's how we say goodbye here in the valley. And how we say that, we say, Kia Vami, which literally translates to, I hope to see you soon. So I think it'd be nice if we all say Kia Vami together on 3. That sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, on 3, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Kia Vami! Thanks so much, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Isn't that cool? Look at him. He's leaving.
I didn't say a word. Daddy!
See you later.
I know why those plates are fake.
See you later, guys.